Hello everybody, I'm Satya here. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to show how to make ukkare. Ukkare is a traditional Diwali sweet. This sweet has lot of childhood memories for me of the way we used to celebrate Diwali those days. And among all the sweets, ukkare was a permanent fixture and it still is. It's tasty and it is also relatively healthy. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. So to make this sweet, first we have taken chana dal 200 grams and we are going to roast it until it slightly changes color. And after that, we are going to wash it well and soak it in water for a minimum of 2 hours. So we ended up soaking it in water for more than 2 hours. And after more than 2 hours, you can see that the chana dal has visibly increased in size. And now we are draining it off all water in a colander and transferring it to a mixer jar. And now we are going to just press the whipper button of the mixer. We need to just grind it gently without adding any water. After grinding, we are going to steam it. Our ground mixture is ready now. So now let us see how we are going to steam this mixture. For that, we are greasing an idli plate with a little ghee. And then take this mixture, handful of it, roll it into ball, pat it and put it in each slot. Now we have got water boiling in an idli steamer, and when the water is boiling, we are placing our plate inside and we are going to cook it on high flame for 10 to 12 minutes. After about 12 minutes on high flame, we have switched off the flame now and let us see how it has turned out. Just insert a fork. The fork has come out very clean. That means our mixture is cooked properly. Now let us transfer this to a plate and allow it to cool completely. After that, we have to crumble it. You can do that with your hands also, but we are going to just cut it, put it in a mixer and again pulse it. Just use the pulse button again. See how this is the texture, slightly coarse, sandy texture. It's perfect. And now we'll keep this aside and we are going to make the jaggery syrup for this. So pay attention to the jaggery syrup also. We've taken 200 grams, that is 1 heaping cup jaggery. As you know, 1 cup is 250 milliliter. Now we have transferred the jaggery to a pan and we are adding half cup water to our 1 cup jaggery. Switch on the flame and heat this jaggery and water. Keep a watch, and as soon as the jaggery turns syrupy, we have to start testing the consistency of the jaggery syrup. So for this, we will add a spoonful of jaggery syrup to a bowl of water and see. Now first let us check. It's a pulpy consistency, like a tomato pulp. This is not correct. So again let us check after some time. Yes, this is a ball-like consistency. This is perfect. Throw it. You can hear the noise. And now to this jaggery syrup which we have switched off, we are adding 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder or elaichi powder and the ground chana dal mixture. And now we are going to slowly mix it first. The flame is still off now and we have added 1 tablespoon ghee. We have taken a total of 1/4 cup ghee. Out of that we have added 1 tablespoon. Now we have switched on the flame, kept it very low and we are stirring for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we have switched off the flame and now also we are continuing to stir on the heat of the pan. The pan is still hot although the flame is switched off. And continue to stir it like this. Our ukkare looks perfect. It's so aromatic, perfect texture. So now after this also we have some more work. We have to add fried cashew nuts to it along with some raisins. Raisins are optional. So we are adding 2 tablespoons cashew nuts to some ghee and 1.5 tablespoon raisins. And now let us add this to our ukkare. Our ukkare is all ready to be eaten. This is how it should be, crumbly, awesome texture. Do try this out and tell us in your comment section about your experience of seeing this video and making this ukkare. Bye for now. Take care.